Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. If you're new here, I mainly show videos that will save you time, save you money, and make the job easier. Today, I'm starting this apartment refresh from the top down. A lot of people want to update or refresh a place, but the hard part is knowing where to start. So in this video, I'm showing you how to start from the top, working your way down. You're improving what still has life without replacing everything too early. The first stop was paint. Paint is one of the cheapest ways to make a place feel cleaner, brighter, and more finished, especially when the cabinets, doors, and ceilings still have life left in them. That's so cool though, how that happens. I have a DIY channel.
Yeah? So
I mean,
B-roll.
The algorithm doesn't think I'm good though.
This is the B-roll, right?
Yeah, it might be. You know, see how you was hammering right there? I might slow that down and they might be like, who's that dude? You know, but I'm not showing your face. So.
That would really hurt the algorithm.
Well, it'll have everybody rush into this store, you know?
Right.
Thank you, man.
How about a couple sticks?
Man, I'm not gonna turn her down. Thank you.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Here's where this type of refresh matters. Now, my out-of-pocket cost was approximately $654 with materials and supplies. But if the same type of work was hired out, the total could climb fast. Now the work starts. I'm bringing in the paint supplies, 3 ceiling fans. Since I'm working from the top down, the ceiling comes first, then the fans, then the doors, cabinets, hardware, and the small details. Ceilings and lighting can change the whole feel of a room before you even get to the floor. These are my sample color options because I wanted the cabinets, doors, and room colors to work together instead of looking like separate projects. The ceiling will be the first big change. Ceiling paint has a job. It usually dries flatter, cuts down glare, and helps hide small imperfections better than regular wall paint. As you can see, this ceiling does not have a clean flat look, so this has to be the first place that I start. And this is also where the roller matters. If the roller does not hold and lay the paint evenly, the ceiling can show lines, flashing, or uneven spots when the light hits it. I had to learn this the hard way. Now, this is not a full remodel. This is a budget refresh. I wanted to make the place cleaner, brighter, and more uniform without having to replace everything. And sometimes even the refresh needs a quick refresh break. I'm outside trying to get this grass green. Here's something else about me y'all didn't know. Should I do it to him again? See, I was trying not to say nothing on that one, but you know that one was cold. Next are the ceiling fans. Since I installed 3 fans, I'm showing 1 install instead of dragging out all 3. Before touching any of the electrical power, the power gets shut off at the breaker and the wires get tested. Don't trust the wall switch by itself. Also, make sure the ceiling box is rated for the fan. A new fan changes the look, but also changes how useful a room feels. That is the type of upgrade that I like. Better look and better function.
You can find the perfect solution.
That one right there.
That might come your way.
Yep.
Visit the pest control aisle to find the right solution for your home, or ask an associate for help identifying and treating.
Thank you.
Please remove your card. Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
This is Crud Cutter. Without it, I probably could have been able to finish up this job, but with it, I was able to do this a lot quicker. And this here is Evapo Rust. I used it to see if it would strip the crud from the handles, and it worked better than I expected. And I think I could explain more, but I've done enough talking. So let's get to the final reveal.